Hey dolls and gents, it feels so freaking good to be back filming for you guys. Today we are doing a get ready with me video on this look right here. This is like my go-to summer look for nights out, especially if it's date night or if I'm going to like a day party or like lounge or something of the sort. I love to do this look. It just screams summer to me. We've got a little bit of glitter gold on the lids, only one color in the crease. Like, this is a super easy look, but I get a lot of compliments when I wear it. Also, I think this is the first video where I didn't apply like any lip color, and that is because this is like the vibe. This is the look that I have been loving lately. I don't like any lip products on my lips. I'm not sure what's up with your girl. Like, I will apply a lip gloss or a lipstick and I'm just like, I'm not feeling it. And then I'll take it off and look at it with my natural lip color and I'm just like, yes, that's the move. That's the look right there. So sometimes I will add a little bit of a gloss. I have been loving this one from Colourpop. It's called So Juicy Plumping Gloss, and this is just the clear one. What is it called? Oh, Princess Cut. And when I tell y'all this gloss is popping, yes, it is popping, honey. Do y'all see that? Like, insane. So this gloss is the bomb if you just want your lips to look nice and juicy and sexy. So normally I will apply the gloss, and then obviously as the night wears, especially if I'm going out and I'm gonna be drinking, this gloss will be gone soon enough, and then I just rock my natural lip color. So I know I have definitely been slacking on the videos. Y'all have been like, girl, where you at? What are you doing? I know I'm working on it, y'all. I promise. I know I say this all the time, but I'm really working on it. I'm going to try to get back in the groove of things and make sure I get these get ready with me videos for you guys, because I know these are the ones that y'all just love so much. So if you want to see weekly get ready with me videos, let your girl know by thumbing up this video. Make sure you're subscribed. If you're not already subscribed, what are you doing, boo? I'm gonna wait so you can click that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. And if you want to see how I got this summer night look right here, super easy, but still looks glam AF, you know what to do. Stay tuned, guys. So we're going to start off with the brows per usual. I like to do my brows before I do my face makeup. Let me know down below if you do your face makeup or your brows first. I'm interested to know like which one is more popular. Anyways, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. And y'all, I'm out of this stuff. I gotta get some more from Sephora like today because I love this. I have tried to use other things and it's just not the same. Next, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in the shade 6.0. This product is discontinued, but I'm going to use mine until it's all the way gone. So I am using this to clean up my eyebrows as well as bringing it down to the lid so that I can cover up that discoloration. And I am going to blend that baby out with one of my favorite brushes. This is from e.l.f. I think this is their studio line, but this is for blending your concealer. I think it's meant for like blending concealer underneath the eyes, but it works perfect for blending concealer right here on the eyelid. So try it out if you haven't already, okay? Next, we are going to set that concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder just to make sure that concealer does not crease nor budge. So as I mentioned previously, this eyeshadow look is very simple, but it still looks very glam. So I'm going in first with the Makeup Geek eyeshadow in the shade Cocoa Bear. This is a matte warm tone brown, and I'm applying this to my upper crease area. If you do not have a lot of lid space like me, you do not have to apply your eyeshadow in this shape. This is just what works best for my eye shape. I am also going in with their Peach Smoothie eyeshadow underneath my brow bone as a highlight. I feel like I haven't applied a highlight eyeshadow in a minute, And this is matte too, so that's different from me, right? Next, I am going in with the Estee Lauder highlighter in the shade Heat Wave. Y'all remember how popular this was a few years back, and I'm applying this just to my eyelid. I'm bringing it above the crease area so that I can make my eyes look bigger, and because I have so much lid space, it just works a lot better doing it this way. Next, I am going in with the Tarte's liquid liner, and I love this product for wing liner. I swear it's like beginner friendly and it always gives me that sharp wing that I love. So if you have been struggling with liquid liner, try this liner out and let me know what you think about it. It does have a felt tip on it. So if you prefer like a brush, you might not like this one, but if you like felt tip liners, check this baby out, okay? Now it's time for mascara. I'm going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara in the shade Carbon Black. This is just getting it prepped for the false lashes that I'll be applying later. I no longer apply my lashes after I do my eye makeup. I prefer to do it at the very end before I spray my face now. I know it's probably weird to you guys, but it works for me. I don't end up getting my concealer on it. For primer, y'all already know I love my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I have to use it before I do my makeup every single time. And then I am going in with the MULK Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I have been loving this primer, y'all. To me, it is not a hyped up primer. I do have oily combination skin. It's not as oily as it used to be. So it does give me hydration, but it allows my foundation to just stick to it. And I love how it makes me look a little bit dewy throughout the day. Next, I am going in with a kind of concoction that I made. Y'all know I love the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, but I decided to mix it with my Lancome Tint-E-Doll today. Oh my gosh, y'all. Do y'all see this? Like, flawless coverage. It is like a semi matte because the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation is more of a dewy foundation, but the Lancome is more of a matte foundation. So it's just giving me like a semi dewy matte type of vibe. And then I really like the color. When it first goes on, I know it looks a little orange, but as it wears on the skin, it just blends in so flawlessly. In the Lancome foundation, I wear the shade 520 Suede W, and in the NARS foundation, I am using the shade New Caledonia. So yeah, and I'm also using this with an e.l.f. powder brush. Now it's time to contour. I have been loving the Black Radiance Foundation Stick in Espresso. I think you guys know that because I've been using it in pretty much every one of my latest makeup videos. But I am applying this to the bridge of my nose, blending it out, my cheekbones, and also my jawline. I do not apply this product to my forehead because I do have a small forehead. Sometimes I do apply it to my forehead. Like if I'm wearing a frontal, sometimes I will apply contour to my forehead, but when I'm wearing a lace closure wig, I feel like it just makes my forehead look so small, so I just bypass applying it to my forehead. But if you do not have a small forehead like me, definitely do your forehead to even out the contour. Now I am going to highlight with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I am using the shade Deep all over my face, but underneath my eyes, I also went in with Tan Deep Sand just to brighten that area a little bit more because I do have a little bit of discoloration there. But y'all know I do this underneath my eyes, my cupid's bow, my chin, the middle of my nose, and also my forehead. So I'm just blending that out with a damp beauty blender. I do like using my Beauty Blender Pro, and I like to go back and forth between that and my foundation brush. So this is the same brush that I just used for my foundation, the e.l.f. powder brush, y'all. To me, it works so bomb for your foundation and also for blending everything out. Oh my gosh. Like, do y'all see that? It's just blending like butter, going back and forth between the sponge and the brush.
So now it's time to bake those areas. I definitely like to set my under eye area first to make sure that it doesn't crease up on me. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I love this. It doesn't add any coverage underneath my eyes, but it just makes sure that everything sets in place and doesn't go anywhere. So I'm doing underneath my eyes, above my cupid's bow, my chin, the middle of my nose, and my forehead, everywhere where I applied that brightening concealer previously. And while that sets in, I am going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in the shade Dark Deep and applying that everywhere where we did not highlight. So even on the contoured portions of the face, I'm applying that so everything blends seamlessly. Now it is time to wipe away that translucent setting powder, and I'm just using this small, it's like a highlighting brush. I believe this brush is from BH Cosmetics, if I'm not mistaken. So this step is completely optional. I'm just extra like that. I like that extra bright under eye and just popping highlight throughout my face. I feel like it really brings out the features of my face. So I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting powder in Mellow Yellow. I'm not even sure if they still have this product, but it is a deeper yellow highlighting powder that's deeper than like a banana powder. And for bronzer, I am going in with my Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. Oh my gosh, y'all. I love, love, love this color. When I first used the shade down from this, I was not really feeling the bronzer, but I was like, let me try the deeper shade because there's got to be something that I'm not doing right because all of her products are bomb, okay? I haven't come across a product that I did not like yet, and that bronzer is amazing in that shade on my skin tone. So for highlighter, I'm using the Estee Lauder Heat Wave, the same shade that we applied to the lids earlier. So everything just blends flawlessly from eyes to face. I'm applying this on the usual highlighting areas that I always apply it. And I am going in with the Makeup Geek eyeshadow in the shade Cocoa Bear again and blowing this out underneath my lower lash line. I know some of y'all are sick of me rocking my lashes for the past few months in all of my videos and they're not available, but I just love them so much and I've been testing them so hard for you guys, rocking them multiple times. Like I've rocked these particular lashes already 8 times and they still look bomb and I haven't even cleaned them yet, okay? So these lashes are launching in August, more than likely the end of August, possibly even early September, but I will keep you guys updated on that. And next, I am applying the Urban Decay Glitter Liner in the color Goldmine. This is so pretty. I feel like this definitely makes the look pop more. You do not have to do this step, but for me, it just sets it off. I absolutely love it. Sometimes I do not apply the glitter, but if I am going out and I want just my eyes to shine, I do the glitter. And this day particularly, I was going to a day party, so I wanted that extra glitter. And to set everything in place and just melt all of that powder that I applied, I'm going in with the MAC Fix Plus Spray, and she's ready, okay? I am ready.
Oh, and I didn't show y'all also this step. So I completely forgot this gloss. One thing about it is sticky, girl. I applied too much of this gloss. Anyways, and it's like minty too. So it kind of makes your breath smell fresher as well. I just ate that. So I forgot to show y'all in the video that I did apply mascara on my bottom lashes. I completely forgot to do it, and that makes the look to me. You can rock it without bottom lash mascara, but to me, it just makes my eyes look more open and more popping. So I don't have any liner on the waterline. It's just making my eyes look bigger, and I just love it. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed filming a new Get Ready With Me video for you guys. As you could tell, I'm like super excited, super crazy. I don't know what's going on today. I'm thinking about filming an updated anxiety video. If you want to see that, let me know in the comment section down below because My anxiety has come back, y'all, and it's a daily struggle. So if you want a video on like how I cope with it, maybe like a talk through get ready with me type video, let me know, because when I talked about it, I did not expect a lot of you to relate to it, because it's one of those kind of taboo subjects where people don't really openly talk about it, and I feel like it's something that definitely should be more talked about. So thank y'all so much for your continued love and support and staying subscribed to your girl, even though I've been on that BS. Okay, let's just keep it 100. I've been on that BS. I really haven't. I've been working. Custominess by Makeupdoll, that keeps me so busy. Link in my description box. Shameless plug. I had to do it. I definitely will have a new Get Ready With Me video next week for you guys. So I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. By the way, if you have not already watched my last video, then you need to do that right now, boo-boo. Go ahead, click the box right here, and it will take you straight to my last video.